In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Jotform to create and customize an appointment request form. Jotform is a powerful tool that allows users to build forms with ease, making it a favorite for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, my step-by-step instructions will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's navigate to the Jotform form builder. You can access this by clicking on your desired form link, and it will take you straight to the appointment request form in the form builder section. This is the space where all the magic happens. It's a robust interface that gives you the freedom to add, edit, and customize form elements to suit your specific needs. Once you're on the form builder page, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the Add Form Element button. Clicking on this opens up a sidebar filled with a multitude of elements you can incorporate into your form. This could be anything from simple short text fields to complex survey elements depending on what information you need to gather from your respondents. For our tutorial today, we'll focus on adding an address element to your form. In your open sidebar, scroll through the available options until you locate Address. Clicking on Address will automatically add it to your form. This feature is particularly useful for gathering comprehensive location details from your appointment requesters, which can be crucial for personalizing service or scheduling logistics. With the address element added, you can now adjust its settings to align with the information you require. Jotform allows users to customize elements in various ways, such as changing labels, marking fields as required, or setting up specific input formats. This ensures you collect exactly the data you need without overwhelming your users with unnecessary fields. Remember, you can preview your form anytime during the editing process to see how it appears to users. This real-time feedback can be quite helpful in ensuring your form is user-friendly and functions as intended. Additionally, you can drag and drop to rearrange the elements to establish a logical and intuitive flow that enhances the respondent's experience. Finally, with your form tailored and reviewed, it's ready to be shared. Jotform offers several publishing options, enabling easy distribution of your form via links, email, or embedding onto a web page. There you have it. Creating an appointment request form with Jotform is straightforward and highly customizable, giving you the power to tailor each form to suit your specific needs. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you find these instructions helpful as you continue to explore the capabilities of Jotform.